Racing just is started. We have Minsan, break quickly restored. Skip the stack, and on the outside comes reading machine. Powerhead Prince Carlo comes next, Formidable Ella, and Madame Leonora is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. Minsan, skip the stack, then joining them on the outside is reading machine. Powerhead is down in fourth, Formidable Ella, Prince Carlo and Madame Leonora as they swing down the back. We are lead now belongs to reading machine by about 3/4 of a length lead. Skip the stack in second. Minsan is racing in third. Powerhead comes next, Formidable Ella, Prince Carlo and Madame Leonora. And at the far turn we have reading machine by about 2 lengths. Skip the stack in second. Minsan is still in third. Moving up on the outside, Formidable Ella, Powerhead, Prince Carlo and Madame Leonora. And as they swing for home, we have a reading machine. Goes on by about 5 lengths. Skip the stack still in second with about 100 meters of the race. We have a reading machine followed by Skip the stack, Formidable Ella, and finally it's reading machine, Formidable Ella, Skip the stack, Madame Leonora, then comes Prince Carlo, Minsan and Powerhead.